Hi everyone, this is Xiwei here. Today I'm going to run you through our product strategy on how to create your own virtual assistant via Telegram chatbot APIs. So first thing first, let me run you through the agenda. The very first thing I'm going to tell you is our go-to-market message. Second thing is how we are attracting our first batch of users. The last thing will be our governance of the platform in order to achieve continuous growth. To start with, our go-to-market strategy. Our go-to-market message is very straightforward. It says, obtain a learning experience that aids your job hunting. So in order to achieve that, what we're trying to do is we're going to put out a lot of viral videos showing people how they went through our path and they will be able to achieve their career goal. So remember that our target customer is the type of people who are trying to switch a career from a non-IT domain into the IT industry. In order to make things easy for them, we also have very small steps with incentives. So each time when the user learns something, they will be able to try it out, they will be able to see the results, very straightforward. And then we think those will give them more motivation to continue learning with us. Regarding how we are attracting first batch of users. So there are 4 strategies we used. The first strategy is called pull strategy. So we will first build a virtual assistant that is working fine, and then people will be able to try them out. When people are trying them, people will be amazed by how many different types of functions it has, and they will be intrigued and they will be drawn to our application to learn how to do it themselves. Regarding for those that will not be able to reach by the virtual assistants we built, we are trying to record the videos and achieve the same effect when they watch the video. Piggyback. The second strategy. So we are trying to tap on the existing user base and achievements in order to divert some of the traffic into our platform. At the same time, we're also putting out videos on Facebook, YouTube, and many other channels in order to attract users on those platforms who are interested in building their own chatbot APIs. Last thing, we're also partnering up with Telegram so we can be a platform which teach people or developers how to develop Telegram APIs with other third-party APIs to create a virtual assistant. So this will be able to attract some of the developers who are interested in Telegram APIs. The third strategy we tried is called seeding. So we will be creating the content on our platform as the producer first, because at the very beginning there is very limited content and it's very hard to attract users. So we have to do it in order to kickstart. Also, we are trying to act as a customers to solve the problems. So in that way, it appears that our platform is very active to other potential customers, consumers. Single side. So the last strategy we tried is single side. So we are starting from the consumer side. We are trying to create a demand side scale in order to attract more quality producers. Once we have a very big demand, more and more producers will be flooded into our platform. Regarding the governance of our platform, the strategy we used is, first, we are going to do a lot of experiments, we're going to do A/B testing, and then we will be able to tell which is the more popular activities, and then we will try to attract more of those type of producers who will produce the more popular type of activities in order to keep more and more producers and also attract more and more consumers into our site. And also how we are trying to attract more producers is we will be working with third-party companies, so they will be able to create activities. They will teach people how to integrate their service with Telegram API. Also, we are trying to use the data really well. So we will first gather user feedback directly and try to curate the platform based on their feedback. And also we are trying to capture Google Analytics data, and then we will use the data to curate the platform in order to serve the consumers and producers better. Setting rules. So rules is very important. So we will set up very straightforward rules so consumers and producers knows what to expect. So there's no confusion involved. Those rules will not be changed without consultation with both sides. We'll also try to create a vibrant community by encouraging some forms of communication, comments, likes, and reviews. So with that, a self-governance will likely emerge and norms will be created automatically. The last thing we're trying to deal with is plagiarism. So all forms of plagiarisms will be prohibited. Only original content by the producer will be allowed to upload it into the platform. So this process is controlled by moderators and the special algorithms we developed.